Minsan nga, hindi ko mababasa, ba ito? Lahat naka...
Oo, minsan na.
like, congested words. Like, even like,
Squish.
nung walang, what's BTW?
Ow.
Oh, by the way. What is, even the LOL, what do you mean by LOL? Every time they put either lots of love, or lol, or ulol. Lol. So, nakakatawa ako nitong ulol. Every time na they put LOL, I said, lol.
What's low mean?
Wow.
No, I know that, but what does low mean?
It's just saying,
Low.
Lol. Lol.
But anyway, yung ano na yan, yung
It means crazy? Filipino?
Lol. Ulol.
yung iPad talaga din. Yung iPad, pag i-ano ko, kasi gusto ko yung, pag naglalagay ako doon ng gusto ko, na hindi ko alam ang spelling, inaano ko sa iPad, and nag-i-spell siya sa akin directly.
Automatic.
Yung siguro, hindi na-recognize niya yung white, na quit.
Oo.
Binigyan niya ako ng white. Hindi ko nakuha